Maybe talk a little bit about how impactful that is for these kids to see both mentors that have careers and then yourself being a
Yeah.
small business owner here at First.
First is a mentor program disguised as a robotic competition. This isn't science fair. This isn't kids doing their own work all on their own. This is kids building these robots, designing these robots with professionals to compete at the highest level. It's like a basketball player kid playing basketball with Michael Jordan. Not to that extreme, but in that sense. So the adults are with the kids, designing, showing them what they can do. So if you're an electrician on a team and you're showing a kid how to do wiring on the team, that's great, and the kid can see that. But if you're an entrepreneur and the kids see you as an entrepreneur, and they see some of your challenges, some of your hectic times and some of your successes, in a way that's your way of mentoring these kids on how to be an entrepreneur also. So First is very entrepreneurial. Each one of these teams, it's its own business. It's not just kids programming a robot or designing a gear train. They're raising money. They're designing a logo. They're managing a project. They're gathering support from their administrators, so there's a lot of parallels with starting your own business, getting VC help or getting community help for your business. So First is extremely entrepreneurial, and we as entrepreneurs are great mentors in First because it lets the kids see us as an attainable role model for them to achieve to be.